Hey, how's it going, y'all? It is 7:20 a.m. in the morning, and pretty much got some family things to do today, which sometimes is good to help family, but at the same time, I'd rather be home trying to figure out some more ideas for the train layout. But we all know we have to try to do our best to take a break, especially me. I really need a break sometimes, with anything I do in life. But I want to say, I was thinking for a while of collecting a whole bunch of train sets, but I don't know. The thing I would hate about that, one thing I would like, or two things, is it comes with an engine and some cars. But the other part I wouldn't really care for is I do like having extra track, but it's only going to be just a basic circle. So what's that going to come with? Just one or two, well, probably two straights and what, 8 or 9 curves. So, I mean, that's the whole thing for me, really, to be honest, is I don't think it's really worth collecting all that. Now, I did look at a couple on Amazon, a couple of just train engines by itself, and a lot of them were $134.99 to up to, I think, $150. I think the cheapest was about $99.99. So I'm not sure where else really to look right now for future engines. But yeah, I mean, I know eventually in January I would like to try to go to Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna probably check that store out. I know for sure they'll have them, but all I know is they'll probably have the train sets and not just the engines. So yeah, it's a little competition when it comes to trying to find engines. Now, I know there's a few websites that I came across, which is trainworld.com, trains.com, and bachmantrains.com. So there is websites and other ones on Google as well. Whoa, I didn't realize that happened. Something got loose or something, loosey-goosey. Probably with me driving. Sorry about that. I was focusing here on the road like I should be, and the video phone is sideways. Sorry about that. I'll see that in the video if I upload it now. But yeah, cheers if you like coffee in the morning. Nope, no coffee cup. You know, it's weird. My cup holders in this Mazda, it does not do well with a handle on it. So I have to do it that way. Sorry for my voice, very deep. And sometimes it's like that when I get up early in the morning, and I mean early, because usually I get up about 9 o'clock. So, but yeah. But yep. I also got my breakfast in my pocket. No, it's not eggs and sausage. It's this right here from Dollar General. Has 2 of them in there. And then I got my pills. So, yep. But anyway, hope y'all have a good morning, afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're seeing this video. I have a lot of stuff I need to do. If you're wondering the reason I do driving and talking videos, it's just an update video for you and me, and a reminder later on for me, because sometimes I forget. And you know, it's easy for me to just look back on videos what I did in order to know what's my next step.